Hello and welcome to Red Stapler channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a card design to show each post statistic for your website in just a few minutes with CSS. Ready? Let's check it out. Here's the example page that we are going to work on. I already set the suitable background image and flex layout for center alignment. So let's start with the card structure. The card will have three sections: image, text, and stats. I will put some content into the text section. Now let's use the grid layout to allocate the space for each section. Also set the font, background color, border radius, and shadow. Then assign each section into the grid areas we have just defined. Now let's add the image. I'm going to set this one as a background of the image section. I'm going to set the top left and right border radius and set the background size to cover to fit the image. Also add a small margin to the text section for spacing. Now let's adjust the font styles of the text section. Next, work on the stats section. We will show the number of views and comments here. Let's add some dummy content. I will place the value and type on a separate div. Now we'll use grid layout again to equally allocate the space for each number. Notice that I use fraction unit. Also set the bottom border radius and background color. Next, let's use flex layout to vertically center the text. Also add some padding and adjust the font styles. Now I'm going to superscript this letter and also add a line to separate the numbers. Cover the letter with subtag. Then for border, I'm going to add a border class to the middle box. Then add left and right border. Also adjust the font size for the superscript as well. Alright, the design is finished. Next, we will work on the hover effect to zoom out the card. It's really easy, just add transform scale to the wrapper using pseudo class. I will reduce box shadow intensity when the card is floating. Then add transition property. And set the cursor to pointer. You can find the source code at the video description box below. If you love this video and want to see more dev tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe this channel to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Bye.